Yo guys, today I got a package from Temu, so I felt bored and I needed video, so that's how bad it is. I need to use fucking Temu as content, but okay, let's fucking go. I got this package right here. I'm not gonna try to show my address. Wait, shit. I'm looking over here because the cat. Yeah, you understand. Okay, so this is the package I got. Whoa! Oh my god! Today we're gonna unbox it. I already know, of course, what I ordered, but Temu delivers very slow. So this was 2 months ago. So let's see what's going on, and then. Okay, first thing. Oh. Wait, I don't know if you can see this. Wait, how do the unboxing channels do this? They do like something like that. Huh? Wait, like that? It says RIP Yon Pork, and it's a Wonderbound. Yep. Yep. That's how bored I was. Can I open the shit? I should have had some scissors or something, because this package is from China. Doesn't open easily. China. It actually smells good in here. If I do it like this, does it says RIP Young Pork? That's badass. This is going into my car straight away. Let's fucking go. Oh, as you may know, I'm Christian, so this is also going on my car. It's a cross because, you know, God is with me always. My pocket pussy. Now, actually, what is this? Shar, what do you think that is?
When we were little, we discovered how much fun it is to move.
There we go. Bro, what are they packing this shit with? Like, damn, this is so hard to open. Wait, can you see this? Fuck. I don't know. They seem skeptical. Skeptical, not skeptical, you fucking bitch. Learn English. Ooh, is this thing? It's for the sun shield on the window of my car. How funny this is. This is the best pack opening you've ever seen. So press the fucking like button, because if you don't, I'm going to your house and fucking you. No way. It's bigger than I thought. No. Wait, this is also. Damn, look at this. Wait. This is a cat sticker. Huh? Huh? What I do? What I do? My younger brother's gonna like this. Subscribe to King Yard. He has a very rough time on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. This is how you know it's a long time ago I ordered this. It's a shield guy. Now you know how long it is. Wait. Oh my god! Nah, that. Wait. Okay, so I didn't order it in 2023, but it was last year, I think, I ordered it. It took a while. Temu. It took a while. Another Wonderbomb. What the dog doing? What the Am I this retarded? Be honest, guys. Am I this retarded? Ooh, I thought that was so cool ordering this. Oh my god, it's Ghost main. The ghosts. I don't think about the motherfucking dead. Bruh, itchy. This one I didn't order, I think. Give him hell! Bro, my English is so good. You can't hear my accent. Wonder where it's from! You know what to do. Can't I reflect this? Wait, hold on. If I do it like this. Shit. Like this? Is it right? Can you see now? What is... Motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, if you're above 18, yeah, you know what to do. And I'm mostly men. Okay, we're back. I got interrupted because my family opened the door without saying anything, so... Yes, back to the review in it. This is boring. It's... how do we say it in English? It's for the air in... Not air intake, that's not what it says. Can I say it? Fuck it, it's for the air ventil. It's for it's for the Luftwaffe, the Luft, the air on the wheels. Yes, air things. This video is going so good. Empty. The last thing I've ordered. What can it be? What can it be? It got one of these zipper things. I'm gonna keep this as a Coke. A lot of it. No way! No way! Nah, this is sick! No way! Can you see this? Wait. Well, I'm putting this on. 1, 2, 3, here I am. Wait. I'm gonna move this so you guys can see. Rate my drip, guys. Rate my drip. If you see me walking down the road like this, what you gonna do, huh? Nah, fuck's sake, bro, that's clean. Bro, I like this shit. Damn. I have to look a little bit more threatening when I walk. Don Flamingo. Ah, fuck. Yep, sorry guys. That was the second time today, and it's only been half an hour where people just come into my room without knocking or anything, so... Where was I? Oh, the t-shirt. No, actually, this is sick. I like it. I'm gonna wear this later. Damn. Okay guys, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up or comment or just give me views, because I need views. So yeah, I'm not very good at this. See you later, fuck yourself.
Allt skriker bom! Bipolär, agerar vulgär.